Baofeng GT-5R is the company's attempt to create a ham radio that's absolutely compliant with FCC requirements, and these attempts have resulted in a slightly higher cost but better performance when compared to the UV-5R, although the form factor and appearance of both radios are the same. In making the radios compliant with FCC requirements, Baofeng has ensured that the GT-5R remains solidly within the VHF-UHF ham radio frequencies. Additionally, they've worked to remove the spurious emissions at the antenna terminal. There also appears to be greater attention to quality control, so the radio feels like it's made better and has a more decent performance. Even so, the casing, buttons, and other aspects of the GT-5R are pretty much the same as the UV-5R. To be clear, Baofeng GT-5R is intended to be legal and within FCC requirements, and essentially there is no effort to improve quality. The perceived improvement in performance likely comes from these attempts at staying legal. Other than those changes, the radio is pretty much the Baofeng UV-5R. It supports chirp and is programmable through the same settings as the UV-5R. A Kenwood-style 2-pin programming cable is included in the box for this purpose, and it's a nice touch, considering many transceivers, including more expensive ones, skip the programming cable, making it necessary for the buyer to source one separately. The included earpieces, as you might guess, are not very useful. The rubber ducky antenna does its job, but those who want better performance might consider replacing it with a better quality aftermarket antenna. GT-5R draws power from an 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. It is also compatible with UV-5R battery accessories, including the 3800 mAh BL5 lithium-ion battery. The highest RF output power for the radio is 5 watts and the lowest is 1 watt. Good management here would allow the battery to last a fairly long time. If you're new to the hobby, using Baofeng UV-5R tutorials could work as easily for the Baofeng GT-5R. While Baofeng provides a good and detailed manual with the HT, the UV-5R is more popular and has been around longer. As such, there's a good volume of tutorials and troubleshooting guides for the UV-5R on the internet. Overall, Baofeng GT-5R is a decent starter radio and takes away much of the headache for those new to amateur radio. It's priced low and is specifically designed to stay within the constraints of legal requirements, so new users don't mistakenly end up on the wrong side of the FCC. Besides, this radio is basically the well-known Baofeng UV-5R, so there's plenty of documentation and help available for new users. To sum up, what we like is the attractive pricing. It's made to stay FCC legal, low spurious emissions, and it's compatible with chirp. On the downside, no significant performance improvement over Baofeng UV-5R. Our rating for features is 8 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. Audio clarity, 7.5 out of 10. Ease of use, 8 out of 10 for an overall rating of 8 out of 10.